Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about two different types of plant groups, which are the Angiosperms and the Gymnosperms. The Angiosperms are the flowering plants. These are the ones that we're seeing come out at this time of the year, where the Gymnosperms are the evergreens or the conifers, the pine trees, the fir trees. We are going to focus the majority of our lessons on the angiosperms, which is the flower. We'll be doing a flower dissection. We'll be looking at different types of leaves, determining if they're monocot and dicot. As far as the terms monocot and dicot, they refer to the term cotyledon. If you see here, the cotyledon, okay, is a part of the embryonic leaves inside of the leaf. So, a part of the seed, excuse me. As far as this goes, a monocot, there is one, and that refers to one cotyledon. Where the dicot has two, all right, and that would go with the di. As far as the flower petals, okay, a monocot has flower petals in the multiples of 3. So if you count them, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that would be a multiple of 3. That's a monocot. A dicot is a multiple of 4 or 5. So 4, 8, 5, 10, and so forth. And if you count this one for the dicot, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Another way to tell the difference between a monocot and a dicot is with the leaf. Now there are veins that are in each of the leaves. For a monocot, the veins run parallel, so they are very straight. For a dicot, the leaves are netted and they branch off. Okay? Some examples of a monocot would be tulip, daffodils, irises, lilies, palm trees, where the dicots are the roses, sunflowers, buttercups, a lot of the different flowers that we focus in on. There are other ways to tell if it's monocot and dicot, like the pollen grain or vascular bundles, but we're not going to focus in on those. We're going to talk about the cotyledons, the flower petals, and then the leaf venation. So, is this a monocot or a dicot? When you look at that, there's two ways you could figure it out. You can look at the venation in the leaves, which would show that that is a dicot because it's netted. Also, you would be able to figure out by counting the petals. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So this is a multiple of 4 or 5, which is 5, so it is a dicot. Looking at this plant, we could tell that this is a monocot by two ways. The first way, we could see that the veins are parallel, and also we have the flower petals are in multiples of 3, and there is actually 6 of them. So this would be considered a monocot. Anyone have any questions? Let me know in class tomorrow. Thank you.